Hello, and today I will be talking about the flow of energy and matter through food chains and food webs. Specifically, that food webs identify feeding relationships among producers, consumers, and decomposers in an ecosystem. Here, we have a food web showing the flow of energy between different forest animals and insects. Arrows show the flow of energy from organism consumed to consumer. First, we'll start with the producer, which are plants or organisms that get their energy from photosynthesis. Producers are then consumed by what we call the primary consumer, such as a cricket. The cricket is then consumed by a robin or alligator lizard, which are known as secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are then consumed by tertiary consumers. And the cycle completes with decomposers. Decomposers get their energy from dead organisms. Here, when a producer, primary, secondary, or tertiary consumer dies, decomposers will get energy from their dead bodies. Oh my god,